Hey guys, so in this video we're gonna talk about investment-linked life insurance. So what's the advantage and the disadvantage? As from the name, it's called investment link, unit link, some people call that as. So it's a mixture, a combination with unit trust together with life insurance, and boom, that's what you get, investment-linked life insurance. So from the disadvantage, I wouldn't really say it's a disadvantage, it's just that the cash surrender value, the surrender value is not being guaranteed because nobody can time the market, and you can actually adjust your risk appetite as well. If you're a high risk taker, you prefer to take more risks, you can choose that type of fund. Medium risk, then you have the medium risk fund. Then if you're a low risk taker, you want to have like FD or bonds, that type of structure, then that's that type of fund too, which is known as income fund. For the bigger companies, those are more known as blue chip company. So you have the blue chip fund. Moving on, that is to the advantage. So what's the advantage? It's because the insurance company, they don't need to guarantee your surrender value. Then your product will become more affordable and you can get more coverage from that as well. So that is the first benefit, that is being affordable, more affordable. You're able to get more things from it. And secondly, it's on the flexibility. If say you want to pay your premium based on monthly, quarterly, half-yearly mode, no additional charges. Thirdly, it's on premium holiday. If say you forget to pay your insurance premium, or because you're having a difficult time, then you can actually just leave it as it is. The company will take your cash value to pay automatically to your insurance charges, and it won't lapse. And when it's gonna lapse, you'll be notified as well. And when, of course, when you have the money, then you just top up again. So for the next emergency, you are prepared. Otherwise, for the next emergency, then you may not have the coverage. And if a person, they need to withdraw cash value in certain point of time, they can also do it as well. And more on that, we are talking about the coverage. So what's the other coverage benefit with investment link? A person, they can actually add additional rider into it. Say you're paying on monthly basis. For the next few months of time, you have the urge because you want to have more coverage. You want to add more critical illness coverage into it, or you want to add a personal accident, or you want to increase your coverage. You can do so, it's very flexible. And for my last point, is a person, they can choose to have a level cover or increasing cover. Level cover meaning if say you determine to set ringgit million of sum assured of death coverage benefit. If that happens, 1 million ringgit pays out. And if you want to have increasing cover, that would be 1 million ringgit paid out. On top of that, your surrender value will be added into it to be paid out to your family member. And that is why I like investment-linked life insurance policy. It's so flexible, it gives you the flexibility and you'll be more comfortable. Yeah, there's no right or wrong. You can have a mixture as well. Let's say you want to take traditional, you want to take investment link and mix, you can do that too. And this is for my sharing. And do check out with your company as well, or the respective company, because what I'm saying on here is actually on the base of the product, and every other company, they will slightly pay with certain of the features, so you gotta pay attention to that. This is serving as a guide. This video is serving as a guide to help you out and for me to share over the information with you. I hope you guys are able to learn a lot through watching my video, and do remember to hit me a like, press a subscribe, and share this awesome information to your family member and friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.